You're looking southwest currently. We have a large rotating wall cloud. There's probably been a little bit of a tornadic circulation that's been able to reach the ground with this storm. Currently I don't see anything on the ground, but we are north of Orrick, Missouri, northeast of this wall cloud, and we also have up to golf ball sized hail falling at this location currently. Got a tornado out in the field just to our southeast. Just to the southeast of our location. You see the tornado on the stream? Yep, you see it in the bottom of the stream there. Still churning on the ground, not fully condensed yet. Large tornado back here. Tornado on the ground. Large tornado. You can hear it. It's up there in the rain. Wow, that's a large tornado. A large tornado in there. Still a large tornado on the ground back in there. It's wrapped in rain. You can still hear it.